Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. And you know I got some sauce today, so go ahead, if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button. It works with the analytics. And for all the A1 day ones, I say thank you. So let's jump right in it. Today, I got something for the ladies. Y'all like gold? Well, hey, I think everybody like gold. I know I do. So if you are a person that enjoys the color gold and also like gold jewelry accents added to the shoe, well, voila, look at this. I got a shoe for you. And that's right, it's a woman exclusive Jordan 1. And to me, y'all, come in, gang, because y'all don't want to miss out on this premium material. This doesn't feel like a regular Jordan 1. The leather on it is smooth. It is smoother than a baby's bottom. That's right, we got that gold satin sock liner inside of the shoe. It gives a premium feel, man. I like it, really great. Gives you that smooth gold plated, kind of like, it looks really cool. Like, it's not even a real kind of smooth gold. It's a different type of paint. So it gives you like a gold plated effect look, but it's really smooth like paint. I don't know how else to describe it, man. This leather is tumbled. It's not just a smooth leather going across the toe cap. You also get tumbled. So you get your Nike gold right there. It gives you that gold accent. Bottom of it is peanut butter, gum bottom, man. Gold hitting off of that is so sweet. But then when you look at the other shoe, it gives you a gold accent piece for accessories. That's right. Nike has that Nike Air embroidered inside of a gold-plated piece. So when you wear this shoe, you're wearing accessories. So you can wear your gold chains, gold earrings, anything gold. This will go good with some actual khakis, capris. Ladies, do y'all like Jordan 1s? Because this is the shoe for you. Go ahead, men. I think this is a unisex shoe. That's why I copped it. I believe it's just a nice shoe. It gives a nice personality pop. And it also comes with a lace swap. This is a ribbon gold lace. It's not a typical lace. It's real light. It's a ribbon. So if you want to do a swap, it comes with something else for you. Got your white and gold Jordan 1 box. That's right. Anytime you got a woman exclusive, white and gold, you can expect the box to match. It's Al Woo with the shoe. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button. Y'all know what to do. I'm out. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe. Share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.